Greetings, everyone. I'm so happy to see you again. How are you? Are you fine? Are you wonderful? I hope you are. Me? I'm great. I'm wonderful. I feel fabulous. I'm thankful to all you guys and girls for being a part of the SayWhatTalks community. Here's a little update. We now just have a little over 12,000 fans. And man, that's so amazing. I started this page just over 2 months ago, and let me just say, the response is quite spectacular. I just want to thank you all for liking us and sharing this site and videos with your friends and family. So, thank you. So, what should we talk about today? Aha! Instead of doing a lesson today, how about I show you something that I did over the weekend? So, currently, I'm based out of Seoul, Korea. On the weekends, I'm able to go about and travel. But because it's been raining pretty much all last week, and it's forecasted to be raining all this week, I guess this is what they call the monsoon season. Have you experienced a rainy season where you live? I was able to visit the 2013 Seoul Auto Salon, a car show here in Seoul, Korea. So let me just share with you some of the nice cars and beautiful models that I was able to see. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write them in the section below. Also, if you have any suggestions on things that you want to learn, please share them with me. I'll make sure I'll get to them as soon as I can. Stay tuned for some more lessons coming soon. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.